In this video, I'm going to show you how can you add an Addon domain to your cPanel account. So let's get started. At first, log into HostCreed client area, and then go to service. Select your active web hosting plan. I'm selecting mine. So this is my active web hosting plan. Click on login to cPanel. And now we are at cPanel. So now we need to navigate to the domain section. You can see. Let me mark it for you. Here you can see domain section, and then click on domains. And now to create an Addon domain, you need to click on create new domain. And here you need to enter your Addon domain name or subdomain name. So I will add mine. My domain name is cnode.pw. So you need to enter your preferred domain name. Just enter it here and untick this box. You must uncheck this box, otherwise you will encounter some issue later. So you make sure you must have unselected this. So after unchecking the box, click on submit. And now you can get this type of error. So it's saying that you need to change your domain's name server, this domain name server first, then you can add the Addon domain to the cPanel. So what are our name server? The answer is our name server is already given at HostCreed panel. Here you can see. Just navigate to your active hosting plan, and you can see there is two name server, ns1.hostcreed.com and ns2.hostcreed.com. So we need to copy this name server and paste it to domain. So simply copy it and paste it to your domain name server. My domain is on the Namecheap, so I will go to Namecheap. Then I will manage my domain, and here I need to select custom name server, custom DNS. Here you can see, if you have set name server to Namecheap basic DNS or Namecheap web hosting DNS, must change it to custom DNS and then enter the HostCreed name server here, ns1.hostcreed.com and ns2.hostcreed.com. Remember to not enter any special character or it will not work. So after entering this name server, click on save button, and now it will take between 15 and 30 minutes to take the effect. So we need to wait for some times. Meanwhile, we can check the progress. So we can navigate to dnschecker.org, and enter our domain name. We will enter our domain name and we will select NS. NS stands for name server, and if we search it, then you can see our name server has not been propagated worldwide fully. So you can see this tick mark that it has been propagated. This area has recognized the name server changes, but this area does not. Did not. So let's wait for some times and then check. Okay, so we have waited sometimes, and let us check if it's updated or not. It's still not fully updated. Whatever, it sometimes get cache data, so it can be inaccurate. So whatever, I will try again to add the domain. Okay, so the DNS checker was showing us cache data, so the name server has been successfully changed, and the domain is also added to our cPanel account. And now our domain is probably live. If we visit our domain, yes, our domain is already live, and this is the sample page. I mean default page. When you add an Addon domain to your cPanel account, you will see this page. But don't worry, it's the default page you are seeing. If you navigate to your domain directory and create a index.html file and write something on it, for example, h1 hello h1, then save it and again refresh it. Okay, yeah, you need to remove this extra string and then go to, and here you can see the hello is displaying. That's mean our domain is successfully connected to the cPanel. We have added cPanel Addon domain and also changed name server, and it's working fine. So this is how you can add an Addon domain to cPanel account.